Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse here at SEMA 2017, again with Sean from Energy Components. You know, Sean, I don't think people know just how many bushings are in a car. Almost 99% of them they're all rubber, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
They're all rubber. Who am I kidding? It's not even 99%. Okay, but like, so there's sway bars, there's struts, there's motor mounts, there's all kind of stuff. Why don't you walk us through it?
Sure. So this is a great example. This is a chassis for a modern Chevy truck. You can call it a half-ton, three-quarter-ton. You've got the basis of your modern truck right here. So you've got control arm bushings that are uppers and lowers. Those control the front wheels. We've got sway bar end links right here, as well as sway bar bushings that are really helping the car or truck keep from pitching left to right. This is really helping it center on the chassis. And then you come down to things that people never think about, body bushings. This is what's on a truck. When you jump into your truck or you hit a bump stop or a speed bump, you're going to hear some squeaking if your truck's got some miles on it. And that's because your body mount bushings are starting to fail.
All right. And what about like torsion bars and things like springs?
Absolutely. So a four-wheel drive truck and some of the heavy-duty two-wheel drives are going to have a torsion bar. Those bushings wear out as well. You've got so many moving components that have the potential to wear out over time. And it's really important to stay on top of them because they can really adversely affect the control and handling of your truck or car.
All right. Now you're surprising here. I'm looking down at this chart and I'm like, what? A differential has bushings?
Yes, sir. Your differential, your transmission, your engine. We've all isolated these products inside of vehicles to keep noise and vibration down. Well, they're going to fail someday.
Yeah, I sort of know that chatter pretty well on some of my cars.
Yes, sir.
It just was like,
Yep.
All right, well, Sean, again, thanks for walking us through this because I really don't think people know just how many bushings are on a car. Is there like a range from like, 15 to like 30 depending on what kind of car or truck you have?
Some of the less complex vehicles, compact cars, are only going to have 15 to 20 bushings. Some of the bigger trucks and SUVs, as many as 50.
50? Oh my goodness. Well, listen, you can find them all from Energy on autopartswarehouse.com. Thanks for talking to us today, Sean.
Always, Paul.
It was a real education. It was like Bushings 101. Okay, or George W. Bushings. I don't know how you want to do that, but it's okay. It's all American too. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Check us out, and if you like stuff, give us a thumbs up, all that good stuff. We'd love to hear your comments too, okay, as you look at our parts online at Auto Parts Warehouse. Thanks again. Paul Tapier for Auto Parts Warehouse, SEMA 2017.